Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will continue the PowerPoint lesson about the animation, how to add the animation and how to customize the animation. First of all, you need to apply the animation to the object, whether the text or the shapes. So in front of you there's a text, this is the title, and you can apply the animation to this text. Now you need to notice the blinking. Now when I click my text like this, or I will choose the second text box, and then you will see the blinking. It means we in editing text mode. We can see the text and the blinking appears like this. It means we are in editing mode. So we cannot add the animation in this condition. So you need to make sure to remove the blinking, and I will click the dashes line, and the blinking, it will disappear. It means we can edit or we can apply the animation in this case. So you can continue to go to animation, and then you can search the animation that you want to apply to your text. Fly in, wipe, random bars, and so on. You can add another option for the animation to open this several animation for entrance, emphasis, and axis. So this is the difference for each animation. Entrance, it means how the animation works to come in. For the emphasis is between entrance and exit. You can see the preview of the animation by clicking on the top left. Let's try to apply one by one. Fade, wipe. So for the entrance, how the animation works to come in. Let's choose exit, fly out, or split, shape. So if I play, it will disappear. And then continue to the second slide. How if we want to add the animation for entrance and exit together at the same time? So you need to add more than one animation, right? For entrance and exit. So what you must do is add animation. First, let's choose for the entrance. Fly in, for example. And then you can continue to add animation. Let's, for example, choose fly out. So, as you can see, there's two animation appears. First is entrance and second is exit. So that's how to add the animation, entrance and exit. You can edit your animation. Go to animation pane, and then you will see there's some option to entrance and exit. How about the emphasis? Actually, you can add more for the emphasis. You can click, you can choose one of them, and then you will see the change. Go to add animation to add another animation. Add animation, wave, and then we want to add more for exit, fly out. So there's 3 animation directly. And then you can see the difference between the animation, the green color for entrance, the yellow color for the emphasis, the red color for exit. So that's how to add the animation for your text. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and see you in another video.